In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Brave browser not opening on Windows. Welcome to this troubleshooting guide for Brave browser. If you're trying to launch Brave on your Windows computer but the browser refuses to open, don't worry. This issue can happen for a variety of reasons, including permission conflicts, compatibility settings, or installation problems. Fortunately, there are a few straightforward methods you can try that may help get Brave running again. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can troubleshoot the problem and restore access to your browser. Let's get started. First, open the Windows Start menu and search for Brave browser. Once the application appears in the search results, right-click on it to display additional options. From the menu, select Open File Location. This will take you to the shortcut associated with the browser. When the file location window opens, right-click on the Brave shortcut once again. If necessary, choose Show More Options and then select Open File Location. This will bring you directly to the folder containing the actual Brave application file. After locating the Brave executable file, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Running the application with administrative privileges can sometimes resolve launch issues caused by permission restrictions or system-level access requirements. Allow the application a moment to open and see whether the problem has been resolved. If Brave still does not launch, right-click on the application file again and select Show More Options if it appears. Then, choose Properties from the available menu. Inside the Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab. Within the Compatibility section, locate the option labeled Run this program in compatibility mode for and enable it. Compatibility mode can help Windows run applications more effectively if there are conflicts between the browser and your current operating system configuration. While you're still in the same section, find the option labeled Run this program as an administrator and enable it as well. Once both settings have been selected, click Apply and then click OK to save your changes. After that, try opening Brave again to see if the issue has been fixed. If the browser still refuses to open after adjusting these settings, the installation itself may be damaged. In that case, open the Windows Settings app and navigate to Apps. From there, select Installed Apps and locate Brave browser in the list of installed programs. Choose the option to uninstall Brave from your computer. After the removal process is complete, reinstall the browser. A fresh installation can often resolve issues caused by corrupted files or incomplete updates. Hopefully, one of these solutions has helped you get Brave browser working again on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.